my god, this is crazy. Ah, holy frick, holy frick. I expected it to start like this. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Alright. Yeah, hello, guys. Yeah, hello. Hold on. Wait. Is it still recording? Still recording. I see it. I see it. Hold on. Well, welcome back, guys. I wanted to do a little thing with my my friends are and I started this up and I laughed so hard while we're doing this. And today we're doing the switch to we're doing the male body, female. Look at this beautiful human body. But you know what? If I get interested, then that's YouTube. So let me just do some. Oh my god! Oh no! Oh! Whoa! What is that? That's really big. That's hunter sized. Yeah, get it. That's hunter sized. Small dude. Small big chunk. Small him. Small big chunks. I really don't want to do it in white because else I'm gonna get like age restricted. Let's make him green. 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 What the freak? What is this? Holy frick. I have never seen anything like this in my life. What the fudge? What is this? He's a toilet. He's a toilet. What the what the fuck? What is this? Do you see this, guys? Do you see this? What is that? Holy frick. It's big. It's big him. And then we have exercise him. We got big. We got big. We got whoa. Dio, motherfucker, is Dio. Gotta go catch and run, Dio. Everybody knows Dio, man. Whoa, he's real big. Yo, he's real big. Whoa, his skin's so dry. Yo, what happens if I do this? What happens if he's all skinny? Whoa, now he looks like he's an alien. Motherfucker, he's an alien the whole time. Oh my god. Nice man boobs you got there. Holy frick. Holy frick. I love this. I love it. No, it's him. It's toilet, dude. Oh, look at this. Oh, now I got nice tits. Whoa! Extra buff man! Look at it, it's him! Extra buff man! I'm always, you know what? It's extra buff man. Extra buff man. Extra buff man. That's the thumbnail. Extra buff man. That's him. Extra buff man. Extra buff. Extra buff man. That is so extra buff. Extra buff. Extra buff. Holy frick me. Dude, look at this. You see that? Oh god, that holy frick. Oh, my friends are playing Gmod, so I'm just gonna do this for the holy frick. Wait, I wanna click the reset. Oh no, oh god. Oh, that's bold! That's the fat hunter. Uh-oh. Oh. Now it just looks like Hunter. Now it just looks like original old man. But now we're gonna do something. Make him small. It's a small buff. Okay, there we go. Let's make him as skinny as possible. That I wanted to do. Oh, his belly! Oh, it's haunting me. What is this? Oh god. Whoa! That's real big. Can I do female? Oh my god. It's female, motherfricker. Female time, motherfrickers. Holy frage. Alien hip time. Holy What? What is those face, man? It's ugly. What the fudge did I do? Those hips. Whoa! That's her. She's extra thick, man. This video's gonna get interested. Holy frick. What the frick, man? What the frick? Holy frick. Oh, that's small. Yeah, that won't get me interested. Now he's a boy. He turned into a boy again. Yay. That scares me for life. He's 78 inches. She's 78 inches. And like that. Buff female. Buff. Buff red, man. Buff red. Yes. Yes, those hips. Yes. 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 Holy frick. What? What is that face? It's a monkey. Look. Monkey girl! With extra hips! With penis boobs! Hey, penis boobs. Because I can suck in your cum and I'm like, oh, have a sex exercise. Never heard of a sex exercise. Yes, this is best. This is great. This is great. This is great, man. This is great. Great. This is great, man. This is great. No, I changed my mind. This is the thumbnail of the video. This is the thumbnail of the video. Holy fudge. I changed my mind. This is the thumbnail. Best ever. No, 10 out of 10. Best thumbnail I ever will do. It's ever going to be the best. What the fudge? What is... Oh God. I don't even know what's going on. Hold on. I'm just going to say... This is gonna be the best. This is good. Best thumbnail ever. Holy fudge! Yes. Whoa, his waist is so. His waist is so big. Ah! Okay, I'm doing the mail. 2 hours a week. You're not exercising enough. You're not exercising enough. Dick in mouth. Oh. It's him. It's really him. Look at him. It's him. The one and only. I'm gonna tell. Oh, but wait, I want to tell Noobs, but he's probably just gonna say, "Oh, I'm gonna show your ass." Okay, but I really don't want to do that. I'm gonna, you know what? Send that image. I really want to see it. I'm really sending this. I'm saving all these motherfucking things, and I'm doing it to save these motherfuckers. I love. I'm freaking doing it. Holy frick. I'm freaking doing it. I'm freaking adding the freaking. Great. Bro, I'm sending this on freaking Discord. I love this so much. Oh my freaking god. Ah! I really want to see what the reactions are. I love it so much. This is the best one so far. Great one. Love this. Anybody love this? Send me in the chat. I'm gonna send this on everything. Everything. Get it on your thing. Get it on your shirts. Get it now for freaking free as frick. Because I really think it was free as frick. Get your new see. Okay, but I'm doing some more Google Feud too because I actually was doing this for the freaking day. That's him. That's him. But whoa, that's not a butt. That's not a real butt. What are you? A toilet man. It's him. A toilet man. Toilet man, guys. Toilet. Toilet. Big toilet. Big toilet. Big toilet. Big. 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 Oh. Yes. Oh, God. The toilet man. No. It's him. The toilet man. I asked him so many questions. He is it. It's the butthole man. It's the him that doesn't exercise in a few months. Ah! What the frick is this? He's an alien. No! It's not an alien. Megamind! Mother frick. Oh god, that's not Megamind. That's freaking Dio! Now that's Megamind. And then why is it looking like tits? Why? Why? What the frick is that? What is that? What is his feet? What is his feet? His little tiny feet, man. I don't even know. His feet is so suck. I love it. I love this dude. You want him? Go give him a kiss. Go give him a kiss. You gotta give him a big, big kiss. I love this much. Please, I rate it 10 out of 10. Best date ever. Best! Rate it! I rate it! I rate it! I rate it. Rate him 10 out of 10. Best game ever. Woo! I just love it. Guys, Google Feud, man. This is some good freaking crap. Good freaking crap. Whoa! Thick penis. Thick! Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna play some Google Feud, and I'm gonna do that real soon. Thanks for all the Googles that I freaking had, and I loved it so much. But I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. And everybody, give it a like and subscribe, because this was the best video ever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!